Hi guys, we're going to be opening up Season 5 Shopkins in these really adorable Shopkin pens. Let's start with the pens. Here we have Apple Blossom. She's so cute. Here she is. So cute. Really nice green color. Cute little eyes. Little flower. Little Shopkins logo on the pen. Here's it clicks. It's a clicky pen. Let's see if it writes in the green color. Nope, it's just black ink. Super cute. Next, we're gonna do Cookie. He's so cute. Look at him and all his chocolate chippies. So freaking adorable. He's a clicker too, and he's all yellow. Here's the Shopkins logo too. So cute. Next, Cheeky Chocolate. I love chocolate. Here she is. She's all cute. She has a little heart detail. Really cute. Blue. Love the blue color of her. Click too. So cute. And lastly, we're going to open up Delish Donut. Love donuts. This one's all pink and cute. Here's Delish Donut. They're blue sprinkles and big eyes. She's all pink. Clicker. So cute. Her little arms and everything. Super cute. Now on to Season 5 Shopkins. So adorable. So adorable. Let's get them open. Oh, by the way, this season has 2 bonus charms. So cute. Make your Shopkins into a bracelet or a necklace. Here is the checklist. The sport category. The garden, music, homewares, bakery, back, sweet treats, and all these charms, the tech, and limited edition. Okay. First we have the first charm. Lippy Lips. She's so cute and so tiny. All pink and cute. First one. And this is a little tissue box. So adorable. Let me look up her name in the checklist. Tiny Tissues. And it's a common chocolate. And next, we have this little roll of some kind. Really cute. Guessing this will be in the sweet treats. No, it's in the bakery Jilly Jam Roll, and she is also a common. It's all pink and swirly. Okay, next is Rockin' Chalk. This is a petkin. Love his little ears. Oh, that's a little tail too. It's cute. And next we have Creamy Cookie Cupcake. She is a rare. She's really cute. Okay. Next we have Lana Mower. This is another petkin. Teal and pink and purple. That was my cat. Her name is Marie, and okay. Next is Sprinkly Cake. This might be my favorite one so far. Love her bow and all her sprinkles. So adorable. And next is Hillary Harp. Really adorable. And she is a common. And Max Saxophone. He's all metallic-y. Gold. He's adorable too. And next we got, oh, he's a common too, by the way, is Grace Baseball Bat. She is a common. And lastly we have Lynn Lamp. She is also a common. I love that she's holding a little book. She's too cute. Okay, now on to the little mystery charm we got here. Who do we got? got a gold cookie. Oh my god. This is so adorable. Now on to these little backpacks. Ultra rare, glow in the dark, Connie Console. I like how she's kind of clear. Okay. The last my bag. We got a baseball glove, he's rare, and his name is Bailey Baseball Glove. I love the colors of this one. That goes to purple to blue. Really cute. Well guys, this is the Shopkins I got today. Thanks for watching.